The uncrewed aircraft, which carries the logo of the Chinese Academy of Sciences, was spotted ahead of an airshow in northeastern China. A new twin-jet engine flying wing drone design has emerged in China. The Chinese aviation industry has been developing an expanding array of flying wing uncrewed aircraft, including as uncrewed combat air vehicles UCAV and high-altitude intelligence-gathering platforms, often in cooperation with state-run research institutions. Pictures of the drone have been circulating online since at least yesterday. The images are said to have been taken recently in the city of Changchun in Jilin province in northeastern China amid preparations for the Changchun Airshow, which is scheduled to officially open this week. Local authorities say the show will also mark the first full activation of the Changchun International Aviation Expo City, a sprawling aviation-themed venue in Changchun that contains a theme park and other attractions. From what we have seen so far of the drone, which is emblazoned on at least one side with the logo of the Chinese Academy of Sciences (CAS), it looks to be more of a developed test article, rather than a mock-up. It has a notable dorsal hump in the center of its body with air intakes nestled up against it on either side. A look at the uncrewed aircraft from the rear also shows two separate exhausts. The intakes and exhausts might point to engines buried in the upper hemisphere of the center body. The uncrewed aircraft has some features that are broadly in line with a stealthy design, including a chine along the leading edge of the center body and shaping of the engine intakes. At the same time, the exhausts are inset into the body, but are hardly concealed. The rear view also shows rivets or other fasteners that are not fully flush, as well as various seams and protrusions along the body and wings, all of which would have negative impacts on its radar cross-section. If what is seen is a test article, various aspects of the design and its construction may not be indicative of the expected final configuration. The core design, with two engines situated relatively high up on either side of the center of the body, would create more space to work with in the middle. That space could potentially be configured to hold various payloads, including more fuel, sensors, communications arrays, and even a weapons bay. What roles and missions the design might be intended to perform, and whether it is meant to be more than an experimental aircraft, are currently unknown. Chinese Academy of Sciences, through various institutions under its broad umbrella, does have an extensive history of developing uncrewed aerial and maritime systems, as well as sensors and other advanced technology, with clear potential military applications. State-run research institutions in China often have strong ties to the People's Liberation Army, as well. Local authorities are also billing the Changchun Airshow as a major showcase for the PLA Air Force. Whatever the intended purpose of this new design from Chinese Academy of Sciences (CAS) might be, as noted, it does follow years now of very real development work on multiple flying wing type drones in China. This includes the GJ-11 Sharp Sword, which looks increasingly set to be the PLA's first operational UCAV. There are ever-growing signs that GJ-11 variants or derivatives are bound for future operation from the decks of aircraft carriers and big-deck amphibious assault ships. Larger flying wing uncrewed aircraft designs that look more optimized to serve as high-altitude, long-endurance intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance platforms have also emerged in China. Flying wing type designs are also just one part of an ever more diverse array of uncrewed aircraft in development in China, which has increasingly positioned itself as a global leader in this space. The PLA debuted several new air combat drone designs at a huge military parade in Beijing earlier this month. The design has a strong resemblance to a known Chinese high-altitude, long-endurance uncrewed aircraft called the CH-7, and is most likely an evolution thereof, or at least it shares a very similar platform. It was taken on August 14, but it only recently appeared in the company's online archive database. Malin is a hub for leading-edge military aviation developments, and work on advanced uncrewed aircraft in particular in China. Another new and especially large, low-observable, high-altitude long-endurance flying wing also emerged in a Planet Labs image of Malin taken back in May. That design may have now flown if it didn't prior to the satellite image. The very dark-colored drone seen in the August image, which is positioned at the end of a runway, has a wingspan of around 137 feet. It also looks to have a single air intake at the front of its center body section and a matching exhaust at the rear. As mentioned, What is visible of the design in the image taken in August bears clear similarities to a drone that officially broke cover in China in November 2024. That uncrewed aircraft was said to be the first real example of a design called the CH-7, and notably differed in shape and size from models and mock-ups that had previously been shown publicly. Available top-down imagery may point to them being very close in size based on their width relative to the runways they are on. However, it is unknown whether the runways have similar widths. The uncrewed aircraft seen at Malin in the image from last month itself has a wider and longer forward nose section and other differences in its overall shape compared to the CH-7 design seen last year. Smaller differences in wing and trailing edge sweep and wing chord, as well as wingtip geometry, also appear to be present with this new drone. It is still very possible that this is a further evolution of the CH-7, which has looked most suited for the intelligence, reconnaissance, and surveillance role, but has also been described as a potential uncrewed combat air vehicle capable of performing strike missions. Size-wise, the uncrewed aircraft that has emerged in the satellite image of Malin from last month looks to be in between a large UCAV-like drone and the much larger design that we previously reported on. Other drone designs with cranked kite platforms have also emerged in China in the past, including one spotted years ago in Chengdu, where one of the country's major military aviation companies is based. However, none of them seem to directly align with what is visible in the August image of Malin. It's interesting to point out here that uncrewed aircraft seen in the recently released imagery of Malin bears some resemblance, in broad strokes, to certain unofficial renderings of the U.S. Air Force's secretive so-called high-altitude, long-endurance RQ-180. Designs with cranked kite platforms have been eyed for other crewed and uncrewed U.S. military aircraft programs over the years, as well. The most well-known of these is the abortive X-47B UCAV developed by Northrop Grumman for the U.S. Navy. There were also relevant B-3 bomber concepts that preceded the U.S. Air Force's long-range strike bomber program that produced the B-21 Raider. Chinese flying wing UCAV developments stand in particular contrast to the U.S. military's abandonment of interest in similar designs years ago, at least in the unclassified realm. Russia, India, Turkey, and France are also known to be currently pursuing flying wing UCAVs. With the Changchun Airshow set to open later this week, more details about the new CAS drone design are likely to emerge.